last video we discussed large intestine and basic information. So as you know, this will be the last part of our entire digestion. The food, every digestion, protein, carbohydrate, fat will be broke down. Then now it's only the food which is supposed to be removed out of our body. So we discuss a basic information. Now we are going with the segments or the entire division of the large intestine. So if we start with the first one, so this is the diagram. Our large intestine, which is divided into cecum, colon and rectum. Other further parts of large intestines are cecum, colon and rectum. So then even that colon is further divided into three parts, like first part, which is ascending part, second transverse, third is descending colon, and here you will see another colon which is sigmoid colon. And it's like here in middle where small intestine was present, right? When small intestine large part is ileum, okay? So when ileum is completed and large intestine have been started, so you will see one valve. So that it could exactly show the small intestine is something else, large intestine something else. So we have valve, that is ileocecal valve, that's known as ileocecal valve. Okay. Then now if we discuss this part, appendix is like visceral part. Not very important, but still it's present. So I think we should discuss colon in this video. So it's like colon, which would be the first part. Then that colon is divided into four other parts. Colon, first part is, by the way, cecum. I think I should have discussed that. Let me erase this, sorry please. Cecum is very small, just because after small intestine, this is a part, this joins small intestine with large intestine. Okay, simply it's like a small intestine which join with large intestine, and it is located lower side of the abdominal cavity. Okay, then this is if these connect both small and large intestine, so this mean here we'll see one valve. So the valve which I told you is like ileocecal valve, which combine after ileum. If this is present after ileum, that's why we just call this as a ileocecal valve. Okay, then after this you will see this help in controlling of the passage, like from undigested food from ileum to cecum. And it's like water, a lot of things would be absorbed, not reabsorbed but absorbed. So if you're thinking what kind of things would be absorbed in this part, it's like water, salts absorbed. That would be water and salts. And you will also see one blind like opening. It's like this is present like this in a structure. If this is a colon, here you will see one finger like projection. It's like finger like projection, and this is blind tube. It means it's have only one opening. It's blind tube, and that is known as vestigial organ as well. So this could also be an important MCQs, and this part is known as appendix. And this is vestigial organ. This means it really does not have a very important function in the body, but still it's present. Vestigial organ, not very much important, and this is 18 centimeter long. This appendix region is like 18 centimeter long. Blind tube, which means it only has one opening, 18 centimeter long. So I think it's